Nobody spray on no sweet scent without rolling. You can't sweet up a stink body. Hola, bonjour, hello wonderful people. A lot of kids out there, like either they're denying what their parents teach them to do after they wake up, or they're just plain lazy. So anyways, I made this video to wake up the common sense in their brain and to teach the ones that actually don't know what to do. So this video is what to do after you wake up. First thing, after you get up, come off the bed, you spread the bed. Nextly, brush your teeth. Nobody knows the stink mouth all day. So you get a toothpaste, brush your teeth and wash your face. Yeah, nothing's wrong with even taking a shower. Cause if your breath smells fresh, why not make your body smell fresh too? So yeah, I would say take a shower next. Then put on your roll on. Number one, never forget that. Put on your roll on and you can spray on your little body fresh, but nobody spray on no sweet scent without roll on. You can't sweet up a stink body. Yeah, so if you go to school, the next step would be to press your clothes. Why put all that stress on your parents? I mean, if you are old enough and you were taught how to do it, press your clothes. It's not that very hard. So yeah, but if it's like summer or so, yeah, I mean, your teeth brush, your mouth smell fresh, then you spread up and look neat. You take a shower so you smell fresh, then you can go downstairs, greet your parents, help them with breakfast. So just sit down like a hungry belly, picking a hungry belly animal and wait for breakfast. Why not just help them out? Yeah, so I hope this video has taught you a lot, even though it's short.
Like,
Comment,
share,
and subscribe.
Dream it,
Believe it.
make it real.